Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lim. We've got a new stock for you. It's SOC Sable Offshore Corporation. Actually been trending really nicely despite a sucky market the last several days. We had a big move down on the Dow Jones 30 SPY, and despite that we had a pretty good pop off of the floor here, and this is on earnings pop, and so far a soft landing pullback from that. We'll break down the cycles here in a second. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Let's break down the cycles here. First, the pop out of the base, about 1.7 BMI, vector of 1, pretty strong action on it. And pulling back into the cup, you can see that the initial support was right at that $20 psychological price point. You had the TD6 cycle here, the 1 month cycle, and you had a TD9, it's the 2.5 month cycle. And so once we got outside of that, again, we tried to retest into that, basically put some air into the consolidation, and you can see the pop off of that on earnings. So right now we're in that $30 psychological price point area, and since you have blue sky back there, you know, once this thing gets rolling, it should very well possibly repeat the momentum on this side of the cup. 1.7 BMI extrapolated over here could be as much as 51 plus 30, 80 bucks or more, which would be a pretty good move out of this PBC zone around 33. It's like 150% or so. So what I would do, this is my strategy I would use on it, because we're in such a rocky market right now, and if the floor falls out in the Dow Jones 30, it could get uglier. I would wait till you get a solid TSS set, whether it's a 5 to 7 or a 10 to 13, and play the pullback off of that, maybe an H2 to H5, basically a breakout of a 2 to 5 bar high on the pullback of that TSS set. That'll be in that 5 to 7 or again 10 to 13 bar range. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bighunatradingclub.club/lingo. One other way you can get to your target is look at the cycles off the lows. This is looks to be about a 5 to 7 months. 1 second, pull this back here. Yeah, it's a TM-3-U cycle, basically the cycle's on the underside of the consolidation. 5 to 7 months extrapolated. Again, the north channel around 36 bucks should easily get that, and potentially the extension channel again up to that $60 to $80 area would be quite realistic on that. Just draw your trend lines correctly, extrapolate the cycle channels, and you know, sometimes the thing really gets rolling, hit 2 or 3 extensions of a channel and go crazy. This is in the oil and gas drilling sector, and with the new administration in there that's more focused on fossil fuels, this thing should run. It's acting like it so far. It's got really good consolidation throughout this pullback from this U pivot around 30 bucks. So looking pretty good. SOC Sable Offshore Corporation. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtrading.com. Hope you enjoyed the video.